Wow, is this beef wearing high vis or what? Look at that glossy, sticky beef. Oh, this is my crispy honey chili beef. Okay, so this dish is like the ultimate triumph of texture, of sweet tanginess, of spiciness, of all the things. It's so good. Now, we do have to deep fry some beef, which is a little bit weird to think about, but it really pays off. Trust me on this one. So let's get the beef marinade done first. But before we do that, let's have a look at how I've sliced the beef here, because what we want are little strips of beef, just like this. Kind of want very small, delicate little strips of beef here because the sauce and everything becomes so intense at the end. You just kind of want these little pops of sticky beef. That's the idea anyway. Now to that, really simple, just add some soy sauce and then grate in some garlic. Now I advise getting your hands dirty here. It's the only way to really get that marinade in there. Give everything a little bit of a massage. Now you just want a plate full of corn flour. It's cornstarch depending on where you live as well. And I like to do this in batches, so grab half of your beef, pop that in, and get it nicely coated. Again, your hands are the best utensil here. Now you want some hot oil, just test that it's hot using a wooden spoon or a chopstick. And when you can see some nice furious little bubbles there, then I know we're good to go. And now the important part here is you want to shake off as much of that corn flour as possible. The end dish can be a little bit floury if you don't take the excess off here. Now to the oil. You want to cook the beef 3 or 4 minutes or until you've got a really crispy, slightly golden outside. Now just drain those pieces on some paper towel. And yes, I know our little pieces of beef here aren't quite Instagram ready. I wouldn't say it's the most attractive part of the dish, but good things come to those who wait. You'll see. Now we get to the saucy part. So just in a frying pan or a wok, you want to add in some soy sauce, some dark sweet soy sauce, some hoisin, some Chinese cooking wine. This one adds a beautiful perfume and fragrance, but if you want to leave it out, just add some apple juice or orange juice instead. And now for our sweetness, we want some honey and some vinegar. We need a little bit of a tangy cut through here to give us an edge to the sweetness. Just let that bubble away for a couple of minutes. And now you could leave this as like a crispy honey beef, or if you like spicy things like me, add in some chili powder. Now we've got our crispy honey chili beef. Okay, so this is the kind of texture that you're looking for. Look at that gloss. Ah, what a beautiful sauce. Time to add in the beef. Now, a little sprinkle of sesame seeds here. And didn't I tell you that beef has transformed from an ugly duckling into a beautiful swan? Now, we just serve it up. Some plain steamed rice or some fried rice is really great as a side here. I'm just gonna finish this off with a little bit of spring onion. A few more sesame seeds. And there you go, crispy, sticky, honey, chili, sweet, spicy, all the things. Let's try it and see. Oh, look at that, it's so glossy. That is so incredibly joyful. What happens is that crispiness on the outside of the beef, that little coating, soaks up all of the sticky sauce. So you kind of have this really intense sticky sauce coated, a little bit crispy piece of beef. Oh, sweet, tangy, spicy. That is just epic, my friends.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks, guys.